This is Biobeat. Biobeat is an FDA-approved cuffless blood pressure monitoring system that replaces the traditional arm cuff with a simple, comfortable patch. A compact sensor placed on the chest continuously measures blood pressure for 24 hours. Instead of a bulky, uncomfortable cuff that only measures occasionally, Biobeat uses a discrete patch that allows patients to move freely and sleep comfortably while their blood pressure is recorded. Patients wear the patch for a full day as it captures continuous blood pressure data, day and night, without interrupting their daily routine. After the test, Biobeat provides clinicians with a detailed report, revealing blood pressure patterns across both daytime and nighttime periods. This is Biobeat, cuffless blood pressure monitoring. Comfortable for patients, clear for clinicians, and designed to support better treatment decisions.